Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Avni's Indian Kitchen. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet and press the bell icon for further notification on my videos. Thank you. Today, let us prepare a very delicious recipe of mixed vegetable stew. This recipe is Mangalorean style. Please do try it. To begin with, take a pressure cooker and add 1 liter of water in it. Now we will add the veggies. I have added 1 potato chopped, 8 to 10 tindora chopped, half sweet potato and 4 kantola or spine gourd, 1 ridge gourd chopped, 7 to 8 yard long beans, 4 to 5 green beans and 1 snake gourd chopped, a small piece of pumpkin chopped, 2 green chili. Now we will pressure cook the vegetables until soft or up to 4 whistles. After pressure cooking the vegetables, I have shifted it to a container. We will add salt to taste now and cook it on medium flame for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we will add 1 big bowl of coconut milk. Mix well and cook for another 5 minutes. Keep stirring in between, and you can see the gravy is thin, so to make it thick, we will add 4 tablespoons of maida mixed in water. Mix very well so that no lumps are formed. Keep stirring for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see it has cooked very well. Now we will give the tadka of ghee and cumin seeds. Our vegetable stew is ready. Wasn't that so easy to prepare? Yes, please do try it and let me know in comment section if you have liked it. Do click the subscribe button if you are not subscribed yet, and it is absolutely free. Thanks for watching the video.